All right, today guys, we have something pretty special to run through. This is our Prado 250 series setup, and what we're focusing on is a full underfloor dual battery system paired with a rear quarter inverter compressor bracket, designed to give you serious off-grid capability without compromising your factory interior. These are actually two separate products on our website, but when you pair them together, they become a seriously powerful setup. Hi guys, I'm Claudia from Accelerate Off-Grid Touring, and this is a 250 series Prado that we're going to run you through today. So, a bit of a backstory. So we released our 100 amp underfloor kit and that went crazy. Everyone loved it. We kept getting the same feedback. It was, oh, but I want to run a 2000 watt inverter. Can I run a 2000 watt inverter? I want more power. I want this for a full touring setup. I'm taking this a lap around Australia kind of thing. You could run a 2000 watt inverter off that kit, but it's not going to run for a very long time because we're using the Invicta 100 amp battery. We decided to just go back to the drawing board and completely start again. So what we came out with is a redesigned battery tray that fits under the rear floor of the Prado 250 series that will mount a 220 amp battery. So this tray is still designed to be, a little bit incognito. It still fits under your rear seats or your factory rear floor. However, the kit won't work with like the RVSS false floor, unfortunately, just because of the height of the battery, but it will work with their drawer systems and other major brand drawer systems. We haven't tested them all in-house, but they will work. So with this kit, you've got a couple of different options. So you can sort of, I guess we'll call it our entry-level option. It comes with a 220 amp battery, which has an inbuilt DC to DC charger. So it's all inbuilt, really good entry-level price, fantastic quality battery, LBS system. So Lithium Battery Systems is the company that designs and manufactures this, just in Brisbane down the road. So with that one, we then have a shunt on the tray to monitor the system because the battery doesn't have inbuilt Bluetooth monitoring. And we've also added on a Victron solar controller so we can have a solar feed and keep it topped up while stationary. If that's not suited to you and you want something with a bit more juice, we've got our Jumpstart feature dual battery kit. So this is utilising the new Red Arc Alphas, which have completely taken over all of our classic chargers in our dual battery kits. So absolute fantastic DC to DC charger. So you're getting green power priority. So it'll prioritize solar whilst you're driving over alternator. The standout feature of this Red Arc charger is the start battery recovery function. Through the app, you've got the ability to recover your start battery if it ever goes flat for any reason. You jump into the app via Bluetooth, press the start button and activates the start battery feature. Within about 15 minutes, it delivers a strong charge back into your start battery, giving you enough power to turn the vehicle over and get going again. But it also has a few other features like a backfeed option. So when you're plugged into solar, so you never have to use the Jumpstart feature, once you're plugged into solar, once your secondary battery is fully charged, it'll actually start backfeeding your start battery and maintain that as well when stationary. It has adjustable alternator input. So through the app, you can, only pull 5 amps, 15 amps, 20 amps from your alternator. So really handy if you're towing to reduce the load on your alternator. And obviously the full app monitoring. So you connect through Bluetooth and everything that is happening with that charger is displayed on your smartphone. Now, the big reason people would opt for this dual battery kit and the reason why we made it was so you can comfortably run a 2000 watt inverter. So if you're wanting to run things like induction cooktops, coffee machines, hair dryers, hair straighteners, Dyson Airwraps, I don't know, literally anything you would plug into your 240 GPO at home, you can plug into this kit if you have a 2000 watt inverter. So it is a big powerhouse kit. There's a lot of power in it, but that's why it was designed and that's why you'd opt for this over our other 100 amp kit is if you're wanting that 2000 watt inverter capability. And that's where the second product that we're going to talk about today comes hand in hand is our rear quarter panel inverter compressor bracket. So this was designed to work with this kit. And so you've got a couple of options with it. You can just buy the bracket on its own. So if you're wanting to do it all on your own, set it up, whatever, you can just buy the bracket. However, we've made it so you can add a compressor and we'll provide you everything you need to wire that up. We've made it so you can add an inverter and we provide you with all the cabling needed. And then you've got the inverter, compressor and bracket option. So everything you would absolutely need to go onto that bracket will supply the entire thing. The switch, the chuck, the wiring, everything. So how it's laid out in the vehicle once it's back to factory, you can't see any of this. Like literally the only thing you're going to see is this switch mount here and the front of the inverter compressor bracket if there was an inverter. This particular install, they didn't want an inverter. No idea why, they got a big battery. But anyway, that's how it's laid out for video purposes, so you can actually see what's going on here. Everything has all the paneling and everything off. So this is what it would look like under your rear floor or your rear seats. Up the top, there's a small compartment with a removable cover, and inside there you'll find your compressor switch and your air chuck connection. Now, normally there would be an inverter mounted here if they were to opt for the kit with the inverter, and you would access the GPO just down here. It sits about here, and that's where you'd be able to plug in all your 240 volt devices and power literally anything you wanted. Something we've really focused on is the simplicity of installing these products. We have done full instructional videos, so you can watch the video, follow along and install it yourself. And we've also done, in conjunction with the video, a really detailed PDF instruction, so you have something physically there as well. So you can install this on a weekend at home, in the garage. You might need a mate to help you lift out the seats. Other than that, this is a really simple install. However, in saying that, if DIY is not your thing and you're not wanting to do this, but you want someone else to install it, like your local auto electrician, you're going to save hundreds on labour because they're not thinking about how to run the cables, where to mount stuff, anything like that. We've done all that for them and they just have to install the product. So you're going to save hundreds on installation costs and they're going to have a really, really easy job to install for the week. So if DIY is not your thing, we do have quite a few trusted installers throughout Australia. So if you want someone or want to know where to take your kit to get it installed, get in touch and we'll let you know who we trust to install our products. Once installed, it looks a little bit different. And honestly, this is the stuff we wish you could always see because it does look so neat and tidy and clean. It's completely hidden under the floor and behind the panels, quietly powering everything in the background. So if you're chasing a high capacity dual battery system for your Prado 250 series that can easily handle powering a 2000 watt inverter, this is the exact setup that you need. Installation videos for these products will pop up just up here. YouTube thinks you should watch this one down here. Thanks, guys. Accelerate off-grid touring, powering your adventures.